Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022. So in order to do this, we're gonna check two platforms. First one is App Gallery. Let's try that. We can search for Fortnite. As you can see, there's no proper game, so we can't actually download it from here. Now let's try Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Games Store. And here we can actually see the Fortnite. Let's click Get, and sadly this device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on this tablet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like